Hey there guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video I just want to take a look at this case from Supcase for the iPhone 11. So this case is the Unicorn Beetle Pro, and this is a full body rugged case with a built-in screen protector, so sort of like an OtterBox. The price of this is just $19.99, so 20 bucks. Comes in a couple different colors. It looks like the price may range depending on the color you get, but it comes in black, blue, green, metallic purple, metallic red, and royal blue. So on Amazon it shows that it exceeds drop protection standards. It does have a built-in kickstand, shows you the frame and the back. We do have a holster for a belt clip if you wanted to use that, and then offers precise cutouts and grip points. So let's go ahead and unbox it and take a look. Pretty traditional Supcase box. So we get the black box with the Supcase branding, this kind of interesting design, Unicorn Beetle Pro. And you can see this is kind of a thick box. Get a little preview of it on the back also. So we open this up and take a look. So as you can see, I did get the black version. And on the inside, we do have our holster and the phone case itself. So we can just unclip it from the holster and take it out. And then we have the case itself. So as you can see, it's going to add a little bit of thickness to the phone. Here is the iPhone 11 for reference, but it should protect it from falls as well as damage to the screen because it does have that built-in screen protector. So because this is an all-in-one affair, you do have to remove the outer edge to actually insert the phone, and you insert the phone into the frame itself. So let's see if we can actually get it here. So it does say go to this corner to remove it from the frame. So in order to insert this into the case, you do insert this into the front frame first, and it will hug the phone. So as you can see, it is going to go in like that, and then you just place it into the case itself. So here's our iPhone 11 in the case now, and as you can see, it is fully protected. So here is the screen protector. You can kind of see the holes here for the Face ID sensors and camera, but everything else is protected, and it actually has a nice clear view to your phone, so that's nice. And I don't know if this will scratch over time or anything, but it may be just like OtterBoxes where they kind of get, scratched up over time. But taking a look at the back, you can see we have, this is a thick case, so this is definitely going to add some protection. So we have this kind of interesting carbon fiber faux look at the top. We have, it feels like metal on the back. We have our kickstand, so just take our fingernail like that, and it slots into place, and then we should be able to sit it vertically or horizontally, like that. Slots right back like that. So you can see we definitely do have some camera protection, so that is thick enough to offer quite a bit of protection, so you can put this down on its back, not worry about your camera or anything like that. You can see on the front, a huge amount of front protection, so we have a big lip of protection around the front of the phone, so that is perfect. If you drop it or if you put it down on its face, it's going to be just fine. As you can see, we do have a cover for our silent switch, so you have to remove that to actually get access to it, but that is still perfectly accessible even with that on there. For our button covers, they do have a plus and minus on there. And as you can see, they are perfectly clicky and nice and responsive. You can see we have a nice little pattern going down the edge of the case. On the bottom, we do have perfect cutouts for our speaker and microphone, and another cover for our lightning port. And as you can see, that's nice and accessible. So we should be able to fit a cord or cable in there just fine without any problem. Looking at the other side, have our power key and more of that same design that was present on the other side, as well as Supcase branding at the bottom. And as you can see, perfectly responsive. On the top, of course, nothing. So looks pretty nice. Now we can check out our holster really quick. So our holster has a little piece of felt in the center to protect it. And it does have a nice design as well. And we have a little clip there, so you can just put your phone in like so. And there you go, you're good to go. So you can put this on your belt. And does this turn? Yeah, so that turns. Put this on your belt loop. There you go, you're ready to go to work. So it seems like a pretty good case. And honestly, that's crazy. This is only 20 bucks. So yeah, for 20 bucks, you're getting full protection for your iPhone 11, so not bad. So again, comes in a bunch of different colors, 20 bucks, maybe a little bit more depending on the color. Anyway guys, this is just a quick look at the Unicorn Beetle Pro from Supcase for the iPhone 11. This looks like a pretty sturdy, tough case, which is really nice. Comes in a bunch of different colors, and it looks like it's 20 bucks and up depending on the color. So if you guys are interested, I'll leave a link down below where you can check this out. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. If you like the video, hit that like button. If you want to see more like this, consider subscribing. I'll see you guys in the next one.